Okay, guys, so let's take a look at this natural gas for the day. So we talked about having a bearish move, right? We saw that this natural gas have actually given us a bearish move. At first, a pullback was made, then we actually had a drop. You can see that this price is actually on a red, right? So for the next day, right, which is for the 22, we want to know where this price will be moving. So it is still the same movement that we are having is what would be made in the next day, which is also a bearish move. We would want to see this natural gas open and close bearish. Now, one of the reasons why we'll be making such move is that when you take a look at the trend, right, we clearly can see that the full trend is on a bearish move. So definitely we should be expecting more and more drop on this our natural gas. Secondly is that we are trading below our 10 period moving average, and we all know that once this price is still below our moving average or it is trading below it, then definitely we have to look for a position to actually sell on, right? And I also told you guys that we should be having a reaction at this level, right? Which we are, still a bit having that reaction. I told you guys that once price gets to this same level, we should have a pullback before we continue our bearish move. So about today, we actually had that pullback, which is more visible on the 4-hour time frame. We will get to that soon. So one of the reasons why we are expecting a reaction at this level is that price have reacted to this level previously multiple times, and we all know that once price gets to a level and it reacts to it previously multiple times, we expect price to get to that same level again and react to it. So we can see a reaction at this level. And same thing with here on this level. A reaction was at this level, right? We saw price came to this same level, reacted to it, and again price came to this same level, react to it. So we expect price to actually react to this level as we talked about, and we can see a reaction. Now we should continue our bearish move on this natural gas. Now let's go to the 4-hour time frame on this natural gas. So you can clearly see on the 4-hour time frame, this is a downward movement, right? You can see a lower lows and a lower highs. So let's see it this way. So this will be considered as a low, and we will take a look at this to be our lower highs. Then here is a new lows, and we will take a look at this as a lower highs. You can see this as a new lows, and a lower highs has been made here. Then you take a look at this to be a lower lows. You can take a look at this to be a lower highs that we talked about. We talked about price reacting at this level. So we've gotten this reaction on the 4-hour time frame. So all what we will be expecting next is a further bearish move. So let's hope the next day this natural gas will break its previous lows. And if in case price does not break below this lows, then maybe price will be ranging. But before we actually go ahead to place this trade, we need to make sure this price breaks below this previous lows, right? Because price can eventually drop to these lows and give us a bullish move again, and drop again. Price can start ranging that. So for confirmation, we just need price to actually break this previous lows, then we can go ahead to sell. So this natural gas, we should be watching out for a bearish move. But first, this lows here needs to be broken, then we can go ahead to make a sell.